Tonight, a bill redrawing Missouri's congressional map sits on Governor Mike Kehoe's desk, awaiting his signature. The legislation now faces several legal challenges. 5 News Side's Laura Barczewski spoke with attorneys and legislators defending this map. Laura?
Rennie, the main argument for these lawsuits is the same, that the mid-decade map goes against the Missouri Constitution. At the same time, there's an initiative happening to put this bill in front of the voters. Here's what the new Missouri First map will look like. It splits Kansas City, which used to only be District 5, into 4, 5, and 6, which now includes bigger portions of rural Missouri. Attorney Chuck Hatfield says one of the issues with the map is districts are supposed to be compact.
Missouri now has at least one district that is not particularly compact. There is also, there may be a drafting error in this bill where one particular voting block is drawn into 2 different congressional districts. That would be a problem.
Representative Justin Sparks, who spearheaded a lot of discussion during the special session, says the opposite.
So I think that the new 7-1 map is actually an improvement. And I think that's because it's more contiguous. I think it's better. I think it looks better, meaning like the districts make more sense.
Hatfield says their lawsuit focuses on the constitutionality of redistricting before 2030.
Because they haven't received that census data, they simply cannot do it at all. So there's a case, Missouri Supreme Court case in 1955 that says pretty clearly that redistricting is supposed to happen when the decennial census occurs. There's another case in 2010 that says the same thing.
Sparks stands by his argument. There's nothing that says they can't do it.
I wouldn't have supported it if I thought it was unconstitutional, no matter what the president asked us to do. Even though he's a Republican and we're Republican, and I think that the current map is gerrymandered and we needed to make the improvement on it.
Hatfield says in addition to the lawsuits, a group called People Not Politicians filed what's called a citizen referendum, where they have 90 days to get 100,000 signatures to put this map in front of the voters.
There is a process to get the proper forms filed and approved by the Secretary of State's office, and that started about an hour after the legislature passed the bill.
Sparks says he has no problem with the courts or the voters making a decision about the map.
Having them to be able to vote on something like this is healthy.
While Governor Mike Kehoe has not officially signed the bill yet, he has expressed support for it in a video message over the weekend. I reached out to his office for an update, as well as an update on when he might sign it, and did not hear back yet. Reporting live downtown, Laura Barczewski, 5 on your side.